Okay, y'all, we got the pistons on here. We're going to use this ring compressor, and he's going to throw his lighter on the floor.
Oh, hey.
And
hey.
We'll put these jugs down on here.
Compress the rings and slide the jugs on. Yep. Gotta hit the holes on this.
Yeah, you ain't in the hole on this side.
Nope, it's not. This isn't the right one.
That isn't the right one.
One smaller. One smaller should do it. Yep, that should do it. All right. So we're going to take the ring compressor and we're going to compress the rings as far as we can. Letting as much out as we can just so that the cylinder at least start. Cylinder will start before it starts pushing on the rings. Come on. Oh shit, I'm off the ring. That's why. I'll be on the ring. God, that shit's so sticky. There's a reason why I like it. It's so sticky. Nope. Yep, now we know we're on the rings. Ish.
Yeah.
Damn it, ish. Get up there, you bastard. Now I know we got him. There we go.
That goes to the side or the front?
Side.
This.
Side.
Okay.
Side.
Oh, I don't know.
This side, this side, this side.
Oh, that's right, because that's for the push rods.
Push rods,
okay.
push rods.
Okay, I'm with you.
Yep, and somehow it came off that ring again. That's gonna piss me off.
Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this camera off again, y'all, and help him out with this. Okay, as y'all heard before, we had to shut it off because he needed another set of hands. Well, we got another set of hands here, so I can run the camera.
You should have a piston, right?
Yep.
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah,
see if we can get that where there ain't no
glare.
Like, well, hell.
Let's check this piston, make sure we got.
Yeah,
I should have put that filter lens on here now.
Okay, you gotta let
got a
it
bunch
slide
of
down.
glare from the.
You know what? You slide it down just a little bit so we're down on the piston some.
It's
so you're just barely
here.
getting that ring. There you go, right there. That way we got to start on it. There we go.
Okay, now I should be able to just push it on.
Yeah, but that's got to slide down too. There we go.
Yeah, nice and slow.
And now that ring came out.
Yep, that ring.
Yep,
that ring came out. We was down a little too far for that ring.
Yeah.
Okay, well, y'all get the gist. We're putting the pistons on. This is obviously a pain in the. So we'll get back with y'all.
So
okay.
I'm taking your computers in?
No. I'm going to be trying to learn along with you, see.
Are we recording yet?
You know how this always goes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you always start
okay,
recording
so we're going to let him tell you about these heads that we're going to put on Louie's bike.
All right, so the heads that we're gonna put on them, they have a defect in the exhaust area, so decided to go with these heads instead. These are off 96 cubic inch, so they already got the upgraded springs. Also already have, they're ported better, they flow better. Right now what we're doing is taking the exhaust gasket, as you can see that one.
And use a pick, could get the old one out of there, and you just kind of pop it out.
Well, that one came out easy.
That one came out a lot easier than this one here did.
Yeah, so then I have a special tool just to drive the new ones in, because they're tight. So
And you don't want to bend them all up.
you don't want to beat them all up or anything. So you get it all square in there. Put your little tool on it. And then tap it in with a hammer.
And not have it at an angle. Turn it this way.
It's
up a little bit over there.
The tool. Come on. There we go.
Now it's in.
Usually I'm a different angle, but we needed you to be able to see it. So more than I needed to be able to see it. So.
Okay, there's that one. Let's do this other one. That's this one, right?
Yep.
Yeah, only I'll make sure the camera's on it this time.
The camera wasn't on.
Yeah,
it
the
last
camera
time?
operator wasn't doing so well.
Oh, upside down.
Flip it over.
Yeah. Taper goes out. Yeah, I tried to do them without this tool. I have done them without this tool. But I'm telling you right now, this is... $7. That's
That
all
one went in just
cost.
fine. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, but yeah, these are up a 96 cubic inch. These are high flow heads. So
Okay.
we're thinking we got to get a hold of Fuel Moto and see if the tune is different on the Dynajet than with these heads. And we're thinking it's going to raise it higher than a 95 cubic inch. If any of y'all know that, leave us a comment. That way we can maybe figure this all out.
Okay. Let's put our gasket on. It's the head gasket, and now we're going to set these up here. One set.
And I got the glare from them lights.
There we
Look
go.
at that.
All right. Now we just got to bolt them on.
Yeah.
That motor looking more pretty.
It is definitely looking more pretty.
And look, see, it just flows. It's just, these black jugs looks badass.
It's going to look good.
Yeah, that's gonna look cool.
All right.
All right.
Put this back.